Hi, I'm Ted Frick, owner and director of instruction of the Classic Swing Golf School at the Legends Resort. I'm here today with Nature Valley's tips from the pro. We're going to hit a lob shot on a side hill lie. My ball's sitting right here on a pretty heavy incline. The natural tendency here is to want to help the ball up the hill. When the ball's on a hill, you have to learn to drive the golf ball into the hill. For every action, there's an opposite and equal reaction. Down makes the ball go up. So I got to feel like I'm going to take this golf ball and drive it into the hill to make the golf ball go up the hill. Now watch what I do with my setup. Gripping down the golf club is a choice. It's a preference based on my distance control. But in the setup, place the golf ball in the middle of your stance and then preset your shoulders with the tilt of the land. So as a right-handed golfer, my right shoulder is going to be well below my left shoulder. In the backstroke, keep your lower body very quiet. Don't let your energy go down the hill with a lot of lower body movement in the backswing. So I'm actually going to keep my weight into the hill with the tilt of my shoulders. Here's a practice motion. Keeping the weight forward, driving it into the hill. The length of the motion is going to be based on the distance of the shot. Here's a short little 30-yard pitch shot, driving the ball into the hill. Now practice this technique. Work on applying the force with the energy going down versus the energy going up, and good luck with your side hill lies around the green.